What we got here is it's another Antica ceiling fan. This is a 52-inch polished brass with no filigree on the sideband. This fan here is also a major childhood fan of mine. The only thing unoriginal to the fan is the globe. It originally had like a big schoolhouse globe on it, but I was a kid back then and I broke it. Boo hiss. Anyway, so this fan here is one of these are, I can't speak. Anyway, these fans here are major childhood fans of mine, as of which these fans here are these are originals to the house. And this one is in worse shape than the one in my living room, which is that one right there. I did a video on that. Y'all saw that. And yeah, this sucks because I'm planning on putting in brackets and probably putting in bearings in it. And I hear a motor hum, and that's not good. Not good at all, boys. Here's the light. I can't turn off the light because the fan is not hardwired, and it will turn off when I turn off the switch. Anyway, here is low. You can hear that motor hum. This one's more louder than that one right there. And yes, this is another big chunky boy. Very thick. Yeah, you heard me right. It's thick. Thicker than my thicker than my A52 by the motor housing. The only downsides about this install, it might look super cool, is the way how it's mounted. You might be thinking, how did air come in there? Well, yeah. It airlocks, boys. I don't know what the contractors think about this, and they think, oh, we can put a fan in there. I don't think so. Because what would happen if it's gonna airlock in the fan, if it was a cheaper builder fan with more flimsy brackets, it would probably shudder like crazy, like it having a seizure. But since this fan here is more of a better built fan, and plus I'll show you the cracked bracket after I'm done show you that. Here is medium speed. And this fan here sways like crazy too. Doesn't sway as bad as it is on medium, but it does sway like crazy on high. Here's high speed. You can hear the clacking noise that the broken bracket rubbing against each other. But as you can see, it sways. Sways like crap. Yeah. Absolutely, you can't really feel the air. I'm like, it's coming outward, but you can't really feel it. And so the fan here airlocks. So when I leave, I'm gonna put a chandelier up. When I leave, or when I move out, I'm gonna put a chandelier up, and I'm taking this fan down with me. And I'm probably gonna replace the brackets pretty soon. Anyways, let's kick it off. Just turn it back off. Fan here never really get used as much. Focus. There we go. Got a short. There's my clock. Just got a shorter spin down because the bearings are kind of they're okay. Like if I move out, I'm going down to an antique store and I'm gonna find a vintage chandelier that fits well in this room here with the wooden beams on it. All right, that is a 52-inch Antica ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and thank you.